Can you make me something where I can watch this cup go anywhere on the farm without leaving this room?
Surely you jest. I'm Phil Betterman.
So, no?
Of course I can. I'm Phil Betterman.
Great! But why do you keep saying your name?
This will go faster without you breathing down my neck.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
These vines can carry whatever you wish to any point on the farm. And this new mirror window allows you to see and hear it all.
Hey, look! I'm on window! Hi, Mom!
No, you're on mirror window.
You turned me into a pig gator.
No, we're watching the Pigator pen.
What? How'd you do that?
Genius. Plus mirrors and shells.
Can I see the lagoon?
Yes?
The pig gator pen?
That's the Pigator pen. I just said that.
The kitchen?
Yes, everywhere.
Inside my body?
Almost everywhere.
The pig gator pen?
Yes! Again, that's it! Ugh! Why did I even bother to do this?
Great question. If I were you, I definitely have more important stuff to do.
You're right! That's it! I'm leaving! Right after you untangle me from this vine.
Interesting. Promising. Jackpot!
Guys, you could do this! From the top! 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring it in, everyone. You know, when I started this dance crew, Guys and Growls, they laughed. They said animals couldn't learn to dance, and I said, they sure can. And I'm the guy to teach them how to do it. It's not about how many feet you have, or paws, or whatever those things are. It's about what's in here and in here. So let's take it from the top, and this time, I want you to shake your tails, or your really long arms, or whatever you got there, because that is dancing. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I figured out something simpler than walking, Thunk. Hop in.
Change of plans. I'm not going anywhere.
What? So that's it? You're giving up on living? You're just gonna watch your life away? Wait, what are you watching?
Oh, just Guys and Growls, Guys Human and Animal Dance Crew. All thanks to the magic of Mirror Window.
How is he so good at dancing? How are they so good?
Oh, it gets even better.
This is why we rehearse. From the top. 5, 6, 7. That's right.
Move over.
This will never get old.
Whoa!